Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna continue working on part 11 of this house build. Let's get started. So in the previous video, we were able to add in all the windows right here, and then now we're gonna continue working on this. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set the height for the sill height for the window. For this one, I'm gonna set it like this one, but here I want it to be all the way down. For this one, it's the washroom, so I'm gonna set it above right here. And then this, I wanted to pull it up a little bit because we don't have anything right here, only the bed is showing. I'm also gonna fix everything right here at the bottom. So we're probably gonna concentrate here. So I'm gonna align right here, and then let's go around here. This is the same height like that. This is where we have our balcony, so I want it to be all the way down, same as this one. So we're good with this. This one is already set up going all the way up, so we just need to make this one beautiful. I'm going around to double check the ones at the top. Once you're good, let's look at the bottom. So for the bottom, as you can see, we haven't set up the height. Usually the height for the top is all uniform. So here I'm gonna do this one all the way so like that, and then here we're going to fix this one as well. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull this one down first because I'm having a hard time getting it. So now I'm just gonna set it to the correct height. There we go. This is a washroom right here, so we're going to pull it up later on. This is for the maids and the driver, and then we're going to pull those up as well. So I'm gonna set this one, this height, so just about like that is good enough, and then it will be the same as the rooms for the maids and the driver. And then for this one, this is the one for the washroom, so I'm gonna pull it up a little bit like that, AL, and then here I'm gonna set it up like that, and then we're probably going to just use this height to make everything consistent. But here, no, I want to set up the proper height here, not all the way down, but at least you can see the way it looks. Just want to make sure that it's not actually all the way down, so I'm gonna pull it a little bit up. AL, And then here I'm gonna pull it up manually because I just want to showcase right here only. And this will be the carport. And then for the height here, let's set up the same height right here. And then here we need to show it right there. Height offset, there shouldn't be a height offset, so let's put it in 0. That's why I'm noticing there's some irregularities with that one. Okay, now I'm gonna check the height offset. It should be 0. Okay, that's fine. Also, what I'm going to edit is this. I want it to be close to here. I want everything to be proper. Let's go to level 2 so that we could see it. AL, you need to go outside here. You need to go outside here. I think this one is good. And then if we check again, everything is proper. So now let's add the roof. So we need to go to level 2. The reason we're gonna go to level 2, it's because I want to show or to see where we're going to place the roof. But once we select the roof, we're going to change it to the proper level. So you need to go to architecture, click on roof. You can go use this, edit type, duplicate, roof number 1. Press OK, edit, 200. And then here, let's put in the proper material, shingles. Use this, press OK, and then OK. Once you're good, I want you to click on rectangle. Make sure this one is checked, because this is not a flat roof. And then this one should be 2000. So 2 meters offset or 2000 millimeter offset. I want you to click on each end. So the corner right here and the corner right here. And then because we've added offset, it will offset 2000 exactly. And it will be on the outside, not the inside offset. If your offset shows from the inside, you just need to click on spacebar to flip it around. And then now, click on finish. I want to go to here, and then now we could select here, base offset. Let's change that to level 3 and it will go up. So that's how easy it is to change the layer of that. And then after that, let's go click here. We can manually drop it to the desired height that we want. This is a design portion, so we could just manually change it to the design that we want to. Most of the time it depends on the location, how, if there's a snow, it needs to be on a proper ratio, height to slant ratio, those kind of stuff. So depending on where you live, there are proper ratio to use for the roof. For now, we're just doing this as a design, so let's just leave it like that. After that, what we're gonna do is, what we could do is now go back to level 2, or we could go to level 3 if we want to, but the layout of what we're doing is not showing here, so this is fine. So here there's a drop down under roof, and we're gonna create a soffit. Click that, edit, duplicate. You could put this one as soffit 1, and then press OK. Edit. You can change the thickness to the desired 200. I want to maintain this the same, or we can do 100. It doesn't matter. What I want here is a wood finish. I want my soffit to have a wood finish, so I'm gonna choose something right here, and then what you need to do is press apply and then OK, and then OK. After that, rectangle again, and then here we need to go offset. Click the same thing as the roof, and then click on finish, and let's see how it looks. We need, once we go here, we need to flip it to the right level, or right base, which is level 3. Click apply, and it will look like that. Now what you just need to do is, we just need to add in some design for our gutter, or we're going to use a sweep command for our model in place. So either way, the only thing is for the gutter, you will need to create a profile, and that takes a while. So for me, I just like doing model in place in terms of gutter instead. So here I created as the soffit, so we could basically add a model in place around this. But before we do that, let's finish up our windows first. I just like to add the roof so that everything it looks proper now. But now I want to add curtain grids to our windows. So here what I'm gonna do is, I'm going to have at least a 500 at the top. I'm gonna do that here as well, and I'm going to divide it afterwards. So 500 at the top. We can add it here. So most of the time I'm gonna do this on those balcony windows, and then here I'm just gonna leave it like that, but here I'm going to divide it like this. Okay, and now let's divide this by 3 here. And to the point that we're going to divide the same thing So 3 as well to make it proper. Okay. I'm going to put probably 800 on each end. There we go. This one is just straight up 3. And then this one probably in the middle. This one middle as well. And then this one middle. So I'm just making it simple for others. This one 800. Curtain grid here, middle, and then here 500 as well from the top. And then 3. And then let's just add this. I'm just double checking all. So this one is the only one, and then this big one as well. So here I can divide this by 4. There we go. And then here I'm going to divide this probably by 3. And then let's just add a single segment and then randomly add this kind of stuff. There we go. I think that's good enough. And then it's simply by adding mullions, all grid. Let's change this one to 50 by 65 rectangular mullions. And then let's quickly add them on all windows like so. Even right here. And you just want to make sure to scan it, to scan all your models to make sure that you have it all there. And then we need to add doors to our balcony. So what we could do is, let's go to insert, load family, go to doors, and then here single curtain wall, single class. So you will need to insert that, and then what you need to do is click on tab. So once you be able to select the system panel, you will need to change this to go to the drop down and change it to the one you inserted or loaded. Once you do, as you can see, you will be able to load those, but you will need to go to the second floor in order to change the orientation of the swing, how it is hinged or swung. So here we're just adding those, and let's go to second floor in order for us to change orientation. And let's add it on the other side. Click on that, and then let's go to level 2, and then here I wanted to swing on the other side, so flip it right here and flip it right there. Same thing here, we could flip it on the other side, so select the door, flip it like so, and that's fine with me. And then here I want to flip it and then outside, and then that's fine as well for me to have it like that. So let's just double check that we have everything added. We're going to add one single overhead here, and here let's fix this one as well. Edit boundary, let's go to level 2 to see it properly. And the issue is with this, I believe we need to extend this one like that, extend it right here and there, and then let's just look at it and see if that is correct. So just a little bit more at the there we go, and then just double check somewhere right here it needs to go. So that's fine, because we will add a proper ceiling, the same soffit ceiling right here for the outside, and then right here as well to have a proper, and then we will need to add, we're probably going to change this instead of going L. I want to add somewhere here, I'm going to extend this. Extending is just so that we could create a design for this one. So let's stop here for now and continue on the next video. Thank you for watching and hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.